A flight time of up to 13 minutes allows you to really explore the skies with this Ryze drone. You can pilot with your smartphone using the compatible app, offering simple and intuitive controls that let you fly like a pro straight away. 720p HD recording and streaming utilises a high-quality image processor and electronic image stabilisation, delivering incredible aerial footage and images that are sharp and clear. Perform tricks and flips by simply tapping the screen. Impress your friends with exciting flying skills and stunts. Enjoy a fully immersive first-person flight with the option to purchase a compatible smartphone VR headset for this drone from Ryze.